The vice president of Nigeria, Kuti na Shettima, they say one woman don't come outside though. Can't tell say na Shettima be the leader of bandits, na be the leader of the terrorists waiting for inside Nigeria as we dey talk. It don't read though, my wonderful people. As this woman talk this thing, with the way since that time, whether this man go come out, come the book, I will not hear anything, no. And the same government now go there before yesterday, go they negotiate with the bandit many times, and this Shettima don't people don't see am with this guys many times. Almost Nigeria is gone now. One Igbo man, whether I go call him Igbo man or I go call him Biafra Zionist movement, I been Mozop. They don't come outside. They can't give analysis of how many Igbos where they don't buy for inside sat. It's recent now they talk Igbo youth where they don't buy. They say that the house of makeup, the Nigeria joint for the Nigeria Army and DSS, police, mobile, all of them, they say they don't go burn them down. No. This one they happen recently. Let me play the videos, may you watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
So what I'm trying to say is this: Nigerians should be focused. We have a very serious problem. Nigeria is at the brink, especially as it concerns security. You must have an enabling environment in order to do anything. So you cannot take someone that is virtually senile and another person that has been associated on several occasions with funding terrorism. That is Kashim Shettima. Kashim Shettima, we should not forget Kabiru Sokoto. Kabiru Sokoto was one of the most wanted terrorists, and he was found and arrested in his house. Let us understand and let us not forget, this terrorism, this banditry, this carnage is not just happening by mistake. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. A multi-billion-dollar industry because it takes a lot of money on defense budget. It has a lot to do with the sale of drugs. It has a lot to do with mining and illegal bunkering and illegal and illicit mining. And look at the areas that are generally affected by this. Take the Northeast, for instance. In the Northeast, you have the blue diamond. That is a strategic mineral. You have oil at the Chad Basin that is being explored.
All right, so the news says, Justin, Nigeria's wanted bandit kingpin accepts peace deal in Katsina. A notorious bandit leader, Ishaya Kwashem Garuwa, who was declared wanted by the defense headquarters, was among the top bandits who reportedly accept a peace deal in Katsina State. If you want to know how crazy this news is, first of all, go and check the dictionary or use your phone to Google peace deal. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have failed this country. That in your government, you are making peace with terrorists that goes into different villages, commit atrocities, buy people, carry women, do forceful entry on them, buy them, breed, they go to breed children, they get baby factory. All these women go born, they'll keep the children, use them as, they'll put them inside their terrorist army. This country is pretty much surrounded. And instead of you to catch one, use one to make example to scare these people away, what are you doing? You give him a peace deal. What do you think will happen when you start giving them peace deal? Because this is not the first time. You give him peace deal tomorrow. Do you know what you're encouraging? You're going to encourage the next set of people to also go into terrorism because they don't say, oh yes, this government is weak. Do you know what a peace deal means? It means when I don't fight them, when I don't fear, when I don't chicken out. It means when I don't chicken out, bro. We which day? Governor of Zamfara Bibi State, come out. Talk say ain't nowhere all these bandits, all these terrorists dey. But federal government need to do something first. It was indirectly saying, I am lost. They are buying my people. I need help. Because these people have some form of people that is protecting them from the higher places. Bro, Nigeria is doomed. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't fail. It's like you have failed us when it comes to security. On all levels. What am I talking about security? Which one is security? They know the sugarcoat them. On all levels. On all levels. This is the height of it. I beg, when are people giving Nnamdi Kanu a peace deal? Because I mean, up till now, I don't even know what he did. But I just know say when I put him. No, I won't say I don't know what the problem is. You say okay, treasonable offense. He was encouraging crime. He was encouraging terrorism and all. Especially where they encourage different from Wupai. This one where they give him a peace deal. But the one where you claim say he do treasonable offense, you don't give him a peace deal. So why is the man there? What's really going on in Nigeria, bro? That terrorists are being encouraged with a peace deal? So meaning say tomorrow now Bello Truji, for all the atrocities where Bello Truji they cause. Bello Truji, as we speak now, he gets soldiers for bush. These people don't take over the north. They terrorize the full north. They'll go into different villages, pack women, go. The Northerners are suffering in the hands of these people. They don't have peace. So tomorrow now you give him a peace deal? Because I already heard that they'll not send one imam go inside bush, may go follow Bello Truji talk. So in all of this, you give them a peace deal. So how about the justice for the people that their rights were stepped on? How about the people where they don't buy? How about all of this? So all these people will just go like that, no justice for them. And now this kind of country when I see get mad, they encourage people may they live in. I am somebody that has so much hope in Nigeria, but the way they go so, I'll soon be part of the people that will advise you that if you have an opportunity, leave the country. Because this country, every day it keeps failing. Every day by day, Nigeria, they fail. Which part of Nigeria? The only place where really they safe now for Nigeria, now Abuja and Lagos. There's no parts where all these guys never invade. There's no parts where they never invade. Benue, nothing happened. They see the buy for Benue. Just still on still. Guess what? No, wait. Mark this video. Mark today's date. December time, they go knock people for Jos. Because that's around now that kind of time that they attack. They'll chop people for Jos. They go knock people for Jos. A lot of states around that period, that festive period, they will declare people. And in all of this, if you catch person, you go give them a peace deal. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you have failed. You have failed. And to be very honest, if you see continue as president for this country in 2027, then I don't know. I said I wasn't going to talk about politics, but bro, it don't reach like this. For how long are we going to continue like this? For how long? For how long? It's almost as if even him, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he be like saying even himself they fear. He be like saying himself they tired because he can't talk. They'll come, they'll tell them, Nigeria is no longer owing the IMF, but you are owing other people. You are robbing Peter to give poor. That's what you people are doing, robbing Peter to give poor. You are still owing, you are all in debt. You are in debt. People are pouring money every day. When I clear one home off on the other side. But let's come back to insecurity. As I talk like this, I feel just go now me they kidnap me. Yes. Don't go find me. Next one I'll just see the story. That's how crazy it is. May God help us. This country, the way they go, now all of us go learn and we'll go learn the hard way. Don't play.
Nigeria. This month alone, January, they have killed over 500 people. On the 19th of January, they killed a whole convoy of Emir of Kano, Elijah Debayero. The same Saturday, 19th January 2013, Boko Haram laid ambush along Kokene in Kogi State and killed about 200 soldiers of Nigerian army going for peacekeeping to Mali Republic. The same week, Boko Haram killed over 30 people in Kano along Zoo Road. On Monday, the 21st of January 2013, Boko Haram have killed 50 people in a market in Damboa, Borno State. The same day, Boko Haram killed over 20 people in Maiduguri Metropolis. The same Monday, 21st January 2013, Boko Haram killed 10 people in Kano town and planted bombs in a bank in Kano State, which was detonated by the Nigerian police. Nigerian-based Boko Haram is a threat to all West Africa, North Africa, and Central African Republic. On the 23rd of January, Boko Haram killed over 100 persons in Maiduguri, Borno State, and in Kano State, respectively. You see, talking of insurgency in Nigeria, January 2013, 29th day, Boko Haram killed 20 people in Maiduguri, including 5 JTF officers, and announces immediate ceasefire. This is the piece of the graveyard. The former President General of Nigeria, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the Owele of Odisha, said that history will simply justify the just. Yesterday, Boko Haram attacked a police station in Bruning, Gwari, in Sokoto State, and over 10 policemen were killed. What are we talking about? The Biafrans have no safety in Nigeria. This is why we are demanding for our own nation.
So based on the Federal High Court judgment, what has this say concerning Waziriki and the Mazobians?
Yeah. The judgment of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, that is the mother of all cases concerning Biafra, because we defeated them in their own court. In the year 2005, Mazi Ambrose and Mareza Manyaso was arrested as the leader of MASOP in the Federal Capital Territory by the state government. Chief Dr. Raphael Wazirike, PhD, was arrested the same October.
This is Angel Makeup's house, and he narrowly escaped this morning. The noise he missed. The motherfucker to stand right. He's running from Killer Post. You can see the house he built proceed from kidnapping.
If you want watch the video of the fire where they burn the house, just DM me, I go send the video, go give you. My people, now don't see am. That one na house of Angel Makeup. You just watch as the Nigerian army take enter, go burn the place. My people, wanna share this video and drop your own opinion inside comment section. You don't read.